Try again.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Sean will try.
No.
That was worse.
Casey's
turn.
My turn.
You just splatted on the wall.
Breaks the whole damn.
Dude, what's he screaming about? Oh! Oh yeah.
I can go there.
Real thing is shit.
I ain't going to jail.
I'm just recording. My life's a movie. Send what? All this? You're in it. Okay. I'll YouTube it. I'm gonna YouTube it.
Okay, Zach.
Life at least 4 seconds. You don't like life in the middle of an HVAC? He's still recording.
What are we doing, Henry?
Making sure this braid is straight. You know, if you're an HVAC, you gotta have your big old belt. That's all good. That was a good braid there. That was a damn good braid.
Made for television.
And anytime you need a ladder, don't be afraid to stand on a unit.
Okay, that's.
And these are just for show. We don't actually, you don't
need these.
Any conclusion? I'm about to shut this video and then upload it to YouTube. Just for the hell of it.
What are you gonna call it? Oh, you gotta get Bella.
We're gonna call it. I'm gonna call it Future HVAC Engineers.
5 minutes to do what? You gotta get Bella.
To clean up.
You're in our video. Making a documentary
On HVAC.
The shit we are supposed to do, but don't. I'm about to kill this motherfucker with this hammer.
No, I was like, let's not do that.
Yeah, it's not gonna be able to go on YouTube, so you might want to turn it off now before Sean kills.
This is Eric.